hair. This is my hair. It grew out the scalp. Hey guys, Nikki here, and today we have this gorgeous number for Myfirstwig. So if you're interested, please continue to watch. Alright guys, so let's hop straight into the packaging. There's a cosmetic bag in here. Off inside of this bag, you will receive clips to clip your hair up so you can style it. A rat tail comb that is heat proof. Here's a base of how the wig is made. It is drawstring and it does have that C design on the side for your ear tabs. This is the edge band. I love this band because it does not Velcro. You actually tie it so you can wear it as tight as you want and your hair won't get caught in it. There's a bag in here in case you don't want to keep the box. You will get wave caps. This is all of the information. This is Yaki, 16 inches, natural hair color. This is 130% density, and this is the wig right here. Look at this part. It is absolutely amazing. It is pre-cut, pre-bleached. The lace is already cut. On this wig, there are 2 combs on the side as well as a comb at the back, and there is a band on this wig because it is meant to be worn glueless. Right here, you can adjust that band right there. So this is the drawstring right here that makes the wig fit snug to your head, and so you can adjust it to your liking. So this is the wig right here. Oh my gosh, it looks so good and natural. Alright guys, here we have the hair in all of its glory. Very simple wig. Okay, so let me tell you, while I use my foundation and a brush, put a little color to the lace. So let me tell you what makes this wig so special, guys. Let me tell you our biggest problem with wigs. Well, I'm just say mine. And from watching y'all's too, is the ear tabs, guys. Oh my gosh, those ear tabs give me the blues. They stress me out. I dang near need to be on medicine because it's so hard to get your hair right around those ear tabs. So what Myfirstwig has done is created this custom C shape right here that makes it easier to wear around your ear tabs. And they put the drawstring at the back so you can tighten it tighter to your head so that it wears better. It won't slide. It makes it an easy wear. It makes it more secure, you know. So what I'm going to do is we're going to wear this glueless. Glueless just means you're not going to glue it down. Sometimes I still put a little spray on it, but yeah, that's just what that means. Also, what I love about this wig is you don't have to cut any lace. So that goes hand in hand with the ear tab situation as well. And that's why they put the C shape design over here too. It was more of a like a side part type unit. Right, so let's just comb through it and see what we got. That's what you have straight on the head. Look how natural that looks. What? Girl, hold on, where is the lace? No, for real, in real life. Okay, I can see it a little bit over here. So we're gonna work on, and then as you can see, the custom C design fits around that ear perfectly. So what I'm gonna do is pin it up really quick because I want to draw the string and adhere to your head a little better. This is a natural look. This is a 10x6 and this is free parting. So that means that you can move that part. I'm gonna show you. So let's just turn to the back. Y'all see that string right there? Just pull it. Let's go. And then pull that part so it don't move. And then you can just tuck this string. And that just makes the wig fit super tight and snug. Oh my gosh, like perfect. So let me show you the free parting I'm talking about. You can like literally part anywhere. Hold on. You don't have to stick with the part that came in the wig. So let's do another comb through. You see what I'm working with, child. This is beautiful. I mean, absolutely beautiful. What? That looks so freaking amazing. Just take another look. What? Chef kiss my first wig. Let's take a wax stick. You really don't have to do much. Like, what do I have to do? We're gonna take a hot comb. This thing's smoking, and just comb through that wax. Oh, I love the texture of this hair. This is my favorite texture hair. It flat irons good, it lasts good. We don't have to do much with this wig, and that's why I love my first wig. It's wigs for beginners, literally. You don't have to stress and worry about trying to get it to look like a certain style. Baby, it's gonna come fresh out the box, almost looking like some. Let me see if I can scrape some hairspray out of here. And can you? And just take my hot comb and go through that as well. So our next step, that's my flat iron reminding me that it's on, is going to be to flat iron it. All right, guys, so off camera, I did tie my edges down a little bit. So while they're drying, I'm just gonna flat iron the hair. Like I said, this is my favorite texture of hair. It's Yaki. It mimics African American relaxed hair down to a T, honey. Like, what? So, of course, my first wig, focus on beginner wigs. So, if you are the person who love wigs or love how they look on other people but you're scared of them, this is the site for you, because all of the wigs are like super easy to put on. They do have other type of wigs. They have bobs, they have long wigs, curly, straight, wavy, whatever you like over there. And they even have wigs with color in them if you want a little blonde. They have everything over there. They have split and quad pay options. And of course, I will leave all of the details about this wig below in the description box. Somebody get in here. Get in here and look how good this looks. What? I ain't tricking y'all. Look at that. This my hair. I don't care what y'all say. This my hair. This my hair. It grew out the scalp. It grew out the scalp. All right, guys, that's this final look. How do you feel about this wig? I'm actually feeling it a whole lot, okay? So, like I said, I will leave everything below that you need to purchase this wig. And thank you so much, My First Wig, for sponsoring this video. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.